Hey friends, Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic here. Oh, sorry, puppy dog behind me. Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic here, and I just wanted to pop in this afternoon and show you guys how to do a super easy DIY cookie in a jar Christmas gift. Let me fix the camera. It's kind of crazy. I just want to make sure you guys can see enough what I'm doing. I hope you're having a great Friday, or Fry-yay as we like to say. This is what we're going to be making today. Super easy, and what a fun gift to give and to receive at Christmas time. Or anytime. You can do these any time of the year if you have a mason jar. So I found these super cute jars. I actually saw someone the other day, Brooke Riley with Refabbed was doing, she used a smaller version of these jars. She did a cocoa bar. She did different things in them and did a cocoa bar in her kitchen, which was super cute, but it gave me the idea to go look for these because every other year I usually give our big kids homemade hot cocoa mix. But this year I'm doing something a little different. This is going to spoil their surprise, but they know they always get some type of food item in addition to a little gift. So this year I wanted to do cookie in a jar. So I found these jars. They're bigger than your regular size mason jar. These are probably a quart, if I have to guess. Does it say? Yes, 1 quart. It says it on the bottom. Anyway, they're super cute. They have a little, the lid has a snowflake on it for Christmas, and they came with this cute little gift tag that says Merry and Bright on it, which was perfect. So, but the best part is this big jar cost $1.50 at Dollar General. So that's the best part. So I want to show you what we're doing today. It's super easy. Y'all know I'm all about working smarter and not harder. So we're going to pop the lid off of our jar. So in addition to our jar, we have, now I could have put homemade like all the individual ingredients, but I cheated just a little, and I went to my grocery store and got cookie in a bag. These are awesome. Betty Crocker, thank you for doing this. Everything, you just have to add a few things, but like the flour, all the dry ingredients are in here. So you just have to add a few things: butter, water, and an egg, and that's it. Everything else is in here. So I've got that. We're going to start there, and it's tear apart, I think. Where's the little dot? We're going to open that. I might have to stand up to do this because it's going to involve pouring. Okay. And I got Snickerdoodle. You can do, that's my favorite cookie, but you can do any cookie mix that you want. I know that they have, I've seen peanut butter. They have sugar cookies, which is fun. I did a sugar cookie one the other day and added chocolate chips to the jar. So if you did sugar cookie, you could add in like M&Ms or any kind of like butterscotch chips, any kind of, you know, add in that you want. But we're going to do Snickerdoodle, and this is the part you got to be careful. Lord help me. Pour, and then fill up the jar. So easy, just pour this in. I love gifts like this. While they may be inexpensive, I think they're thoughtful, and who doesn't love food, right? Especially at Christmas time. I'm just going to squeeze it a little bit to loosen it up. Let me see who's watching. Hi, Miss Gracie. How are you today? Alright. If you guys are watching, y'all wave or comment. Tell us what y'all are doing today. If you like what we're making today, please feel free to spread the love over the internet and share. Okay, now at this point, this is, like I said, Snickerdoodle. So there is a little pouch in here. You know, Snickerdoodle, you make basically a sugar cookie, and then you roll it in cinnamon and sugar. and then flatten your cookie on the cookie sheet. Well, the cinnamon sugar is in here at the bottom, kind of midway really, towards the bottom. So when you get to that point, if you use Snickerdoodle, you gotta kind of just reach in the bag. I did wash my hands before this. Shake it. You're gonna get a little messy doing this. And you pull out the cinnamon and the sugar. And what I'm gonna do is just kind of roll it over like that, and I'm gonna put it kind of in the middle, like that. And then I'm gonna cover it up with the rest of the cookie mix. Make sure you are working on the kitchen counter, or like I have wax paper down someplace you can clean, because this is kind of messy. Okay, I got it all in there. Let me put this to the side and dust my hands a little bit. So then I can kind of shake it down a little bit, and we'll put our lid back on. Now we're gonna dress it up. That's the fun part. So that's the cookie in a jar, it's in there. And what I've done is on the little tag that came with the jar, I just wrote the recipe on the back, super easy. So we're gonna kind of dress up the tag to go on it. So what I have to do that, if you watched my live a couple of days ago, I showed you how to dress up just plain Christmas presents, you know, the wrapping, to top them with the little mini ornaments. And I had these little bells, but we're going to use these again, the little jingle bells. So I'm going to get 2 jingle bells out. And I have some baker's twine, which is really cute. It came like this. I got it from the craft department, I think at Hobby Lobby years ago. And it has the red and white stripe twine, which is Christmassy. So, and then because we're doing Snickerdoodles, which have cinnamon and sugar, I thought I'd use cinnamon sticks to put with it. So I'm just gonna grab a cinnamon stick. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's making me hungry actually. So I'm gonna take the twine, and I am just gonna simply tie a good knot around my cinnamon stick, just to hold it in place, because it'll, you know, slide out otherwise. So I just wrapped it around, tied a knot like so. Oh, and I tore it. That's not supposed to happen. Hashtag real life. Okay, hold on while I get another piece of twine. Well, bless America. Okay, let me go this way. That's real life right there. Unedited Facebook Live, my friends. All right, we're gonna cut another piece of twine and try not to do that again. Who knew I had such muscles, right? Oh my goodness, okay. All right, well, tie it as tight as you can without breaking your twine, okay? The twine is just like paper, so, okay. Just kind of gently pull it, Lois. All right, and kind of get it down in the center. And now I have 2 little tails coming up like that. So I'm just gonna run my twine through there, get my bells on, like so. Get those in there. And then you have, so it looks like that. And you can kind of just play with it depending on the ornament that you have. If you don't have bells, the bells I bought also at the Dollar General for $1.50 for 8 of these. And they came in different colors. They had silver, gold, red, and I think green, I think. Okay, so now what I'm doing is just taking the 2 tails that I have, and I'm running it through the hole on at the top of the little tag. So I'm just running it through, and I'm gonna tie a good knot on this side. Again, I told y'all the other day I have big fingers, so sometimes tying knots can be difficult. And I'm just gonna get it snug so it stays in place. We don't want to crinkle our recipe card. And it's totally okay to leave the little ends. It kind of adds to the, well, now I gotta situate it. Kind of play with it and get it where I want it at this point. There we go. All right, so now we have our cute little tag, and the Dollar General did really good because these little tags just slip right on and off of the jar, the top of the jar. So you don't have to worry about like tying it or any of that jazz. So you just kind of fit it over the lid, and I'm gonna kind of do it to the side like that. All right, and there you have it. Super easy. We did that, I think, in under 10 minutes. And again, the jar, $1.50. The cookie mix, this big bag of cookie mix, was $2.98. I think I got it at Walmart. The cinnamon sticks I already had, but this jar is probably under $3. These were $1.50 each. So basically, how much is that? $1.53, $6. So you could say we made this gift for under 10 bucks if we estimated. So that's a cute little gift to give for Christmas. I know I might have to keep one because it's so cute. And you can reuse this jar for other Christmas decorations. I got some loose cookie mix at the top. You could reuse it for other decorations if you get the gift, or you can and you can also change the lid out for just a regular. You can buy mason jar lids, you know, in a pack by themselves without the jar, and change that out to reuse it. So mason jars have like 101 different uses plus some. So anyway, that is our DIY Christmas or cookie in a jar Christmas gift. I hope you get to make one, or I hope you receive one this Christmas. So again, I'm Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic. Just wanted to show you super easy gift for the season. I know it's getting down to the wire. I was out earlier shopping and it's getting crazy, friends. So be safe and have fun. Enjoy the season. Until I see you again, happy crafting. Love you guys.